Learn ordinal numbers and dates like a pro. Hello everyone. I'm so glad you're here today. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of English language, specifically focusing on how to use ordinal numbers and dates. This is a key aspect of the English language, and I'm here to make sure you get it just right. So let's get started. Before we jump into dates, let's quickly refresh what ordinal numbers are. Ordinal numbers tell the position of something in a list, like first, second, third, fourth, and so on. So, when we talk about January 1st, February 2nd, or December 25th, those are all ordinal numbers. Now that we've refreshed our memory about ordinal numbers, let's start with how to say dates in English. It's really simple. You just say the day as an ordinal number after the month. For example, if the date is the 1st of January, we say January 1st. If it's the 2nd of February, we say February 2nd. Remember, the key here is to use the ordinal form of the number, not the cardinal. When it comes to writing dates, things can be a bit tricky. You can write the date in words like January 1st or February 2nd. You can also write it numerically like 1/1 or 2/2. However, keep in mind that in the United States, the format is month per day, while in most other countries, the format is day per month. But regardless of the format you're using, remember that when writing the date in words, you must use the ordinal form of the number. The best way to master using ordinal numbers and dates is to practice. So, for the next week, try to say or write the date in English using ordinal numbers every day. Also, whenever you see a date written somewhere, say it out loud in English. And that's all for today's lesson. I hope you found this helpful and that you're now more confident in using ordinal numbers and dates. Remember, the key is to practice regularly. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. They are just stepping stones to mastery. So keep practicing, and you'll be using ordinal numbers and dates like a pro in no time. Until our next video, keep learning and stay curious.